If you're looking for more ways to feed more birds, this tray and pole Podium might be just what you need. Here's how I use it. First, as a standalone tray feeder to place fruit for my fruit-loving birds like robins, catbirds, and orioles. There's plenty of room for grapes, oranges, apples, clementines, and even a saucer with jelly. And then I use it as a seed catcher under my hanging squirrel buster bird feeders to catch all that dropped seed, because birds are so messy, and to reduce the mess on the ground. And finally, if you already have our Squirrel Buster Plus, our Mega 600, and our Tube Solutions bird feeders, you can actually just pole mount them. The Squirrel Buster Plus does need a separate pole adapter. Setting up this Podium is super easy. It will only take about 5 minutes. So first, take the ground pole with the quadricut screw and stab it into the ground like this. Then take the torque bar, insert it, take the bullseye level, place it on top, and then keeping the bubble in the middle, like in the center, like this, slowly screw this all the way to the swage point, so right here. Now remove the bullseye level and store the torque bar for the next time you need to move the Podium. Now take the other pieces of the pole. You've got two with swaged ends. They need to go up. So one like this, one like that, and then finish with a straight pole at the top. Like that. Now let's take the collars. We need to loosen the screw, slide it over the pole, tighten it. Now take the two halves of the tray, place it on top, take the other collar, again, loosen the screw, slide it over, and tighten it like this. If you want to move the tray up and down, just loosen the screws on both collars and move them up and down like that. And then if you need to straighten your pole, there is a wedge that you can use. Just insert it right here. And there you go.